guys, today I'll be installing a Dongar Technologies dashcam power adapter on a 2021 Kia Sportage SX Turbo. This vehicle is compatible with this adapter, but more so, this adapter is actually compatible with a lot of Kia and Hyundai vehicles. Why a dashcam is important, you can Google that and find out. But let me just show you how to install it on this vehicle, and let me just show you how easy it is. So I've already actually opened up the box, and let me just show you what the contents of this box itself. It comes with actually two short length USB cables, a micro and a mini. Also, what it comes with is a dashcam adapter. So this is the adapter right here. This is the male end, this is the female end of the adapter. And here is the splitter, in a sense, the USB source that will be powering your dashcam. I will be installing a Garmin dashcam. And this works well with my vehicle, so this is what I'll be installing today. So let me just show you how to install it on this Kia. So the first thing I'll be doing is let's just move the mirror out of the way. Let's just bend this down. And we have two pieces here. We have the inner shroud and the outer shroud. We don't need to actually take the outer piece out. All we need is the inner shroud. So you actually don't need any special tools for this part. Just simply stick your finger into this little gap right there. And let's see. All right, well, we got this piece. I can edit that out too. So it's just like, all right, so here's the piece. It's got 4 tabs on it. It does require a little bit of force, but you know, it comes off. Just be gentle. We're not trying to break anything. All right, so here is the connector port of your vehicle. This is a 10-pin port, and what we need to do is get this off. So there we go. So I've removed the adapter from the connector port, and now I'll install my Dongar dashcam adapter. So here we go. Let's install it like this. It always works on the third try, right? There we go. And always insert it the same way you remove this. This goes in like that. Push these cables in. And here is my USB. And actually, even before, you know, putting everything back together, you might want to just turn the car on right at this point and see if you're getting power to this USB adapter. And the way you do that is just turn the car on. And I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but there is a blue light illuminated within the housing. So that's how you know that this thing is receiving power. So now let me just connect my USB cable to this. And I will connect this end to the dash cam. Sweet. The next thing I'm gonna need to do is just clean up these cables. So I will be tucking these cables into the plastic shroud right here. There's plenty of space here, so you don't need to worry about getting in the way of other components. You can actually just slide these in. And let me just show you how to do that real quick as well. Let's put that forward. Let's go back here. Although I took the dash cam off just to reduce some weight. There we go. Our dash cam works. Our cable's installed. Everything's all cleaned up, and we're ready to go.